how to see least interacted friends on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you see least interacted friends on Facebook. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Facebook with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile picture just at the bottom left corner. Alright, so from the profile section, you'll have to scroll down, and from this section, friends, you'll have to go the option see all friends. Alright, so after you come on the friends section, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you can see or view all of the friends that you have been interacting on your Facebook. So if you are finding the options like manage, you'll have to just go that option manage, and from that you'll have to just go with the option list. So right now I'm not getting the options on my region, so in your case you might be finding this option on your Facebook, and after then by tapping on the list interacted option, you'll be able to see your list interacted friends on Facebook. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.